So hello there, my name is Martin Bittencourt. I'm a developer of systems for the market, especially MT5, and I'm here to show you my newest product that will be available for MT5 in the MT5 market for free, which is an indicator called Martinware Closing Time Alarm. So what does it do? The idea here is that many strategists using manual operating, manual trading, they consider only the information given by closed candlesticks. So the information that is happening, for example, right now, this candle being formed here, doesn't matter for many strategies. What only matters is the candles which were already closed. So during this period, it's kind of like useless for many traders to be watching the graph, especially if you work in a over periods such as the M5, M10, etc. So many traders use some kind of clock in the corners of the graph to show, to check how much time there is left for the current period to close and a new candlestick to open. My indicator, what my indicator does is that it gives an alarm. It gives an alarm warning the trader that the current period is about to close and a new one is about to start. So these are the parameters. You can choose the time frame. Normally you use the current. Here is the main settings value, the time in seconds before the closing of the current period that the alarm will show. And here is the main way in which the alarm warns the user is in this way that you just saw here. It's a visual alarm where it repaints for 1 second the entire background of the graph. So of course choose here a considerable color different than the one in the background. I put it red and black background. As an optional way of warning, you can enable sound. You can put enable by sound to true. And there are here two options. You may either use one of my predefined sounds, okay, many of them, for you to choose, or if you want a custom sound file, you can just put the name of the file here, and that file should be the name of your sound file as shown, as present in the files folders and sounds. So for example, I could use any of these sounds here, .wave sound file, just put in the name of the sound there, okay? And we'll automatically use your custom sound file. So let's enable here the sound just for you to have an idea. And that's basically what it does, okay? So it will be very useful, especially for those who do manual trading. Of course, this is not for expert advisors, for robots, for automated trading. For those who are doing manual operations and have strategies that only consider closed candlesticks, especially for those who have use a higher period in their graphs, such as the M10 or M15, maybe even more, it will be very useful for you not to have to always be watching your graph. Let's see the sound. So there you have it, the visual and the sound alarm. Well, I hope you like it. It will be available for free in the MT5 market. And I hope it will help you being a better and more successful trader. Till the next time.